Samsung is returning to its roots with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as we will see a different site for the next Galaxy event, and there is something special coming to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Remember, if you are seeking to obtain a Bear Alive, the Fold 5 could be the next foldable for you. The venue of the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event has been modified. It will no longer take place in the United States or Europe, but will instead return to South Korea, a hometown for Samsung phones. According to Samsung DX Lee Young's president, something is going to do the physical event into Seoul, South Korea. An event reporter asked why Seoul, South Korea. She answered, because Korea is a meaningful and important. This is the first time ever for foldable phones to see the launch back home. But what about the release date of a Galaxy Z Fold 5? Well, he didn't confirm, but we already have some confirmed sources for the release date of Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is in the law. Samsung will provide 2 exclusive color options for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, blue and platinum, with other high-volume hues including beige black and light blue. Some people are concerned about the S Pen support for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As we all know, Fold 5 will not come with a built-in S Pen, but what about the support for building a S Pen? Yes, Fold 5 will support S Pen, but you will need to carry the case. And for some people who are concerned about the support for cover display, but looking at the cover display, you don't really need an S Pen support. And yes, we may not see support for external display. The cameras are where Samsung added new features. The Fold 5 will come with a 50-megapixel main shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. The other selfie shooter will be improved from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel. And we will get an improved QDC under-display camera, as well as 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, which we first saw on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The most noticeable thing about the Fold 5 is the new hinge design, which brings all big updates to the Fold 5. And the second, the flashlight is changed from bottom to right. But what about the cover display? Are we going to get a wider one? No. Because of a new hinge design, it comes with small bezels, and the hinge part is reduced, which looks barrier than the Fold 4. Although we are going to get the same 6.2 inches cover display and a 7.6 inches in the display and due to flat display. The Fold 5 will be dust resistant and lighter, with a weight reduction from 263 grams on the Fold 4 to 254 grams on the Fold 5. And the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have an IPX8 rating for water resistance, but no formal desert certification. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.